Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have numbers ready? Start now. Put the total in A1 and the portion in B1 so Excel can compute a ratio. This avoids text errors. Once done, understand the formula idea. Percentage equals part divided by whole. Make sure cells contain numeric values, otherwise Excel treats them as text and returns an error. Next, choose how you want results shown. Either apply the percent cell format or multiply by 100 in the formula to show a numeric. Now enter the actual formula. In C1 type equals B1/A1. This computes the fraction that becomes a percent. Once done, make copying safe by locking the total with an absolute reference like $1 so rows can use the same denominator. If you prefer explicit percent values, multiply by 100 in the formula and append the percent symbol in text or format the cell as percentage to let Excel handle it. Make sure to check for correct cell references before dragging the fill handle down. Finish by copying the formula down and polishing the display. Drag the fill handle to apply the same calculation to all rows. Make sure you use $1 if the total is fixed. Once copied, wrap the formula in round. 2. To limit decimals and format cells as percentage for a clean look. If you see a divide by 0 error, check that the denominator isn't 0 or blank. If needed, use IFER or if A1 equals 0, N/A, B1/A1 to handle bad inputs gracefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.